And are we doing a encore presentation? We do that when things are so popular. This is new. It was new a couple days ago, and it is very popular in our show, very popular in the last few days. I think people are picking up more than one. It's from Garden Reflections. You can only get this here. 30 inches faux spider plant hanging basket. Comes with the hanging basket, the cocoa, like I love the basket, and then the chain, and then you got the forever floral. Here is the faux spider plant hanging basket. There's only a few left, right? Like, starting to get limited, I believe. Yeah, yeah. All right, Jordan Carson, whether you
Yes.
are putting it in your office, your home, anywhere you want a little bit of greenery, this was so popular and we're starting to get very limited as well.
It's very limited, and
Yeah,
I'm not surprised actually, Nancy. We have only had this out. I think our
couple
first
days.
presentation was less than a week ago. Just a few days ago, I was in studio, and I mean, it was so popular. And you're saying that it's almost gone, which I'm not surprised. This is by Garden Reflections, which is our own proprietary brand right here at QVC. And what we really pride ourselves on is really helping you create the oasis of your dreams. Now, this is a piece that can go indoors and outdoors. So this is corrosion resistant up here on this metal frame here. And then it's fade resistant as well as weather resistant. 32 inches in height. So this is a nice size piece. I would say get two of them and hang them outside under your patio. Flank your doors with this. But then you and I have talked about this before. Look at this, Nancy. These are removable. So you can take that metal
Yeah.
hanger off on all three pieces
Oh, it's fully
and then
removable.
put it in a planter by Garden Reflections. And look at the movement that's just cascading around that planter. It's so lifelike. The detail is gorgeous here, all the way from the tops of the plant down to that cocoa liner. Just absolutely stunning.
We're looking at the cocoa liner right there, but Jordan and I were talking earlier because we are shoppers. Jordan's a busy mom and we love to decorate and make our house
Yes.
beautiful. And I've seen cocoa planters, and for some reason, they're pretty expensive, $20 to $30 just for the cocoa planter as well. You're getting an entire forever floral basket. When you have greenery, whether it's indoor or outdoor, like Jordan said, you can also put it in the planter. I love her idea that you could actually put it into a planter, and then you can put that on a table, on the floor, maybe in your office, just for a little bit of greenery.
Yeah.
And there's something about greenery that is very calming. People are picking up more than one, and I think if you have an apartment and you've got, like you want to do that hanging basket look, I think you should get at least two of them. And I think that's why people are picking up more than one.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And you're putting your hands kind of around that cascading floral that's going down the side of the plant. But look at when you look really closely, Nancy, and this is what we love about Garden Reflections. If you're going to get a faux plant, you want to make sure that it looks lifelike. You want to
Yeah.
make sure it looks real. And this absolutely does. So when this comes to you and you unbox this at home, you do want to give it a little
Zhuzh.
zhuzhing. You want to kind
Our
of take your
favorite word
fingers
here.
at the top, at the crown here. Yeah, we call this little zhuzhing. And
Yeah.
you just want to spread this out. And that's what's so great is you can, make these kind of as large as you want. And that really adds to the realism here. I mean, this is a gorgeous piece. And like we said earlier, this has been less than a week that we have had this on presentation just a few days ago, and we are already almost sold out.
Oh my goodness. Less than a week. What day is it, you guys? The
Monday,
3rd? I think it
the
came on the
3rd.
30th, so it's only a couple
Yeah.
days, right? Okay, so fade, rust, and weather resistant. It's very, very
That's right.
lifelike. Comes with the cocoa basket. It comes with
Hmm.
the liner as well. Comes with the chain. It's fade,
Yeah.
weather, rust resistant, indoor, outdoor. I love Jordan's idea. Not only can you hang it 360 degrees, a little bit of greenery, and I think people love spider plants. It just gives it kind of, that beautiful variation or variegation of, those colors, right? I think that's what's
Hmm.
special about spider plants. But
Yeah.
people are picking up more than one because I think it looks
So
so good
smart.
together when you do like a hanging basket kind of thing and you're sitting.
Uh-huh.
Maybe you've got an apartment and you don't have like a lot of garden and you still want a
Yeah.
little greenery, and then you can leave it outside or you could take it inside, which I love. Like Jordan, if you have an office or maybe you've got a
Mhm.
business and you want to decorate your little, receptionist area with a little green,
Yeah.
but you do not want to water that, right? You do not want to keep buying plants. This is your forever floral. That's what I call it, right, Jordan?
Yes, you're forever floral. It's like your forever friend. That's you with me, Nancy. You're my forever friend. This is our
Aw.
forever floral. This is one of those pieces you do not have to
Yeah, ever water.
continuously change this and
Someone
turn
might
this,
accidentally water it because they're so
someone might.
lifelike. Over 300
It's
order, Jordan,
true.
in the last couple days. We've, gone through so many. People love these, but also today in our show, Jordan, over 300 people have picked them up.
That's because they're so smart. I would get 2.
At
Absolutely
least
put
two.
2 on the
Yep.
outside, flank your doors, and then bring 1 inside. You keep saying, if you have an office, I love that idea.
Hmm.
I also like to bring greenery into my bathroom, into the
Oh, I
primary
love that
bathroom.
idea.
I have I'm going to send in a photo and show you.
Okay.
I like to have mine. We have a hook actually in our large shower,
Yeah.
and I have greenery hanging
You're
there, and
kidding.
it's a beautiful way
Oh
to
my God, it's like
start
a
your day,
spa
and it's just
oasis. I don't know how big your
creating your own
shower is,
oasis.
but that's
It's kind of big,
amazing.
but you don't need a big area. It's 32 inches in height.
Yeah.
It's 10 inches around. I mean, you don't need a big area, but it makes a big difference.
Well, you know what also makes the difference? To look at greenery, whether it's faux or real. There's a whole write-up about it. And this is from Garden Reflections, over 300 sold. All right, thank you, Jordan.
Oh, thank you so much. Great to see you, Nancy.
Okay.